on them.
Yeah.
But I wore this in and there's no wrinkles. So comfortable.
It's so comfortable.
Yes, and by the way.
Satin and sparkle. Satin and sparkle. We got a little bit of satin and sparkle. All right, 3/4 sleeve. It is a set of 2 tops. It's a set of 2 tops.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Extra, extra small, 5X. Price will go up at the end of the day, and it's the only order of the year. You're getting 2 tops, 60 cotton, 40 poly, 26.5 to 32.5. Let's see. Crystal has on the sky blue, and then we also have, well, let's just start
light
here.
coral.
Yeah.
Angela's wearing the partner.
Perfect. So they're twinning it.
Yep.
But you're getting 2 tops. So sky blue and light coral, and yes, there's some satin. We'll show you. And yes, there's some sparkle. Here is the next one. We have
Lilac ice and black.
Oh, lilac ice and black.
Okay. And
Ooh,
then,
already popular on this. Ooh, and the black gets a little dressy, friend.
Yes.
Okay, and then we also have, is that pink and spearmint?
Spearmint.
Oh, so good.
Right? Isn't this?
I
this
love Kelly green.
Just is you know, Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. Here we go.
And vibrant.
Vibrant and
Pink
beautiful. Which color do we think? Are we good with a pink for a little zoomy zoom?
Zoom.
Great. So I know sometimes the colors are like, wah, so I just want to double check. So the neckline is all trimmed in a beautiful satin ribbon, inside and out, so be nice and soft up against your skin, kissed on tonal rhinestones.
Oh, nice.
So you get that sparkle without
like subtle.
Without it, you know, with it being very subtle. And I love this set because, you know, if you loved Wicked, you know, you could. This is a fun set.
We sold so many like bags from Wicked.
Right.
That's such a great idea.
And then, of course, you know, for Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day,
I love that.
you're one set, you're done. And then we have the black, which of course is my favorite, and that lilac ice, which is a pretty purple, which I love that our team is incorporating because we don't do a ton of purple. And then we have the light coral and the sky blue. And I had read a comment online that somebody said that they thought that the light coral was orange, and I'm not seeing that at all. I'm seeing definitely a coral.
Soft pink coral.
Yeah.
Color.
So, I mean, you know, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So, you know, but we use Pantones.
Yeah.
You know, if you don't know, Pantone is like the standard color identifier in fashion and home, you know, furnishings.
I forgot to tell you, mocha, you know, your outfit is the wine.
Yes.
That's like the color that is so in right now. But look at Crystal.
Yes, so Crystal is in that beautiful sky blue. She's 5'3", she wears a size medium. So this is hitting her in the shoulder. It's coming off of her shoulder just a little bit, but not too much. On Angela, it's fitting her right on the shoulder where it's supposed to, 3/4 length sleeves. Nice length, it looks like it's hitting them both at about the fold of the leg.
It's very elegant.
Yes, perfect for layering.
Oh, yeah.
And Nancy, for something like this, I always like to say, this is that workhorse in your wardrobe.
Yeah.
This is that set of 2 that you never pull out from season to season.
Especially when it's 3/4 length sleeve.
Exactly. Because of the weight of the fabric, the feel of the fabric, and the 3/4 length sleeves. You can layer this now and then wear it with your crops and your capris when the weather breaks.
This is what I'm wearing, like a 3/4 sleeve, especially when it's 60 cotton breathability.
Yes.
These are 2, by the way. Do you know that you get both of these? And I love that they're almost like, you know, a little bit of color coordination here, right? Because they are such gorgeous colors together. Here is the sky blue and light coral. This just makes me happy. This is what they have on. And like Angel said, that it's got that tonal rhinestone with that satin and a little sparkle, especially with that little V, just makes it a little bit more elevated and a little more elegant. It can very well be a little dressed up, maybe underneath a blazer even.
Absolutely.
Right? So here
Work
is
appropriate.
Sky blue, light coral. Then this one, if you are going to go see Wicked, if you are a fan of Wicked, oh boy, there's only 600 left. Also, like you said, Valentine's, St. Patrick's, or if you just love Kelly green, like I do, hello, that with a white dream jean jegging, it is so fresh.
And this is saturated and really rich in color.
And then as they know, because they're big fans, right, of Quacker, they know the quality, so you wash it, right? Maybe this one inside out, but all the time, those embellishments are gonna stay, right? And then we also have the black lilac ice, and then let me show you that black, and look at how dressy that can be, Angel. So dressy, right?
So dressy. I mean, we were talking earlier about this jegging. If you have a, you know, a girls' night out, or you're going to see a concert. Black on black with a really fun little, you know, maybe my sparkle.
Did you go to Era's concert?
No,
neither did I.
My sister and I talked about it, but we didn't. You know, but I am going to see a Broadway show next week, so I was thinking I need something. I try. I'm also tired all the time.
Because you have this job. Okay, so
no, because I do so much.
You do. You have such a fun life, Angel. You really do. You've got scrapbook night. You've got girls' night. You've got like Broadway. You know what? You're living life to the fullest. Work hard and play hard, friend. Right? And then I know that Angela over there, she has one half. She's 5'9" and she's wearing extra large. And then Crystal is the other half. She's 5'3" and she has the medium in the beautiful sky blue light coral. They're like sisters, right?
Yes.
We got like 1 and 1. You're getting both of those on a set of 2 tops. All right, let's go to the jeans. Thank you, Lukey. Thank you, friend. Okay, all right. Dream jeans, but a special one.
I know.
I saw this on the rack.
Our customers have been asking for more embellishment on the dream jeans,
But a special
and
one.
the team did a beautiful job.